Hello everyone, welcome to my video maker channel in YouTube. I'm Jack Chen in Hong Kong. I just made this infinity wire ring. So for my understanding, infinity is unlimited forever. For example, our power is unlimited. Our life is lasting long forever, lasting long time. That is what my understanding for infinity. So I strongly recommend you to make or own one of infinity ring. It's powerful for you. So let's see what's the tool we need for the infinity ring. Flash cutter, channel plier, pear-shaped plier, hammer, and mandrel. Of course, this time we use very easy and very simple material, only 0.5 millimeter golden wire. Okay, let's go and see how to make it. First, we make our infinity symbol here. I take the wire, I cut around 6 or 7 centimeter. So first we use the bell shape. Bell shape plier. Make a loop like this. So I must make it clear to show your guide. The loop first from here, the line. We put our bell-shaped spire here, then turn it over, turn this wire over and up to this, now like this. And later we put our bell-shaped plier not in here, but in here. Here, put it here. First we put it here, right? And then we put it on opposite side. Then turn this wire to this direction. Okay, I make put it here. So it looks in one line. That means and this here. This is a infinity. Infinity symbol here. So now we already made it perfect. Okay. Now we use our flash cutter. We'll cut. Yeah. And another size. Cut here. I found this is not perfect because you will see it very clearly. So I had cut it more. Perfect. Now, perfect. Compare these two. This two I had made before, so it's not nice because I did not master this. Because I put the wrong position before I put it here. And this is wrong. Now I put it here and make this nice belt, the nice shape. Okay, we continue. Remember, and we need around 10 cm. One wrong. And then make a loop here. Okay. So I try to measure the open. I take my marker pen here. Okay, cut a little bit. we need the channel spire to close the end. Bộ adjust the end. Okay. Remember hammer, Okay, almost finished. Want to adjust here a little bit. So Nice, huh? Okay, you see. So after a few minutes, our infinity violin already here, you see? Looks nice, huh? So that's all of today. Guys, take action. Make one infinity ring for yourself. You can make it. Okay, I'm Jack Chen. I'm in Hong Kong, China. And see you next time. Bye bye.